two, 1, 2, 3. Too bad for the goodies. As I step up out this bitch in my case, he made me not hoodie. And the homie, you can go and know that trademark from a young age. Find a life ain't for the faint heart. Thinking back in the days when homies was so distant. Back in school where I met Tula T and I met Mississippi. Always up to mischief, always had this vision. About to smash his records and know where the fuck is Guinness. And I always had this flow, boy, something like a spit. Got that weekend job so I could pay for that cricket. Thinking back when I had my first GF. See, I was fucking back in recess. Boys clocking at the PM. I'm farther than the rubber, boy, I'm farther than my groover. Step up on the stage, I got motherfuckers of the prover. Old man came through, just like I'm gonna do with cruising on the beat. There ain't no limit, what you want to do, suck. Hey. Hey. Okay. See, I'm too bad for the goodies and too good for the baddies. Think I found a Latina to be calling me daddy. Sipping on a Stella, looking something like summer. I'ma go in peace, I've never been much of a dweller. Some of y'all out here wanting more than the seller. Ask around the town, they fuck with pistol, they like hella. And I ain't gon' stop till I'm up at Coachella. And I ain't a rapper, but I'm more a storyteller. And I'm about to do some damage, let my problems vanish. About to smash it past the six, and I'm running with Samus. Let my soul live through all of these dead at the way I'm talking against baby, boy, I'm talking again. Squeezing while y'all shopping my blade. I'm out straight up cooling while y'all throwing that shade. To the game, boy, you would've thought it was Clue. And the map is on the board, there ain't no limit, what your boy can do, show. Make some motherfucking noise while you're wrong. Yeah, make some motherfucking noise. We're pistol in the heat, y'all. Y'all ready? Sudden and I quit acting hard. Homie, your politics dumping. I ain't even need your motherfucking 2 cents. Friction on the mic to me, you sounding more like Judas. Like, who's this? It's your boy Pistol. Man, shout out to Steve, man. You know he's on the vigil. Then I gotta pray before I speak, you know the ritual. Gotta be bad for these demons, man. I'm talking to Pismal. Hey. Bye, bitch. Press up the stone, now put the feet in the ring, my name is quick in the zone. We don't know why we don't know why they bring us down. We don't know why you from my hometown, man, you are home now. Up in the phone, now press up the stone, now put the feet in the ring, my name is quick in the zone, now bitch. home now. I'm in the flow now, that bitch break up the soul. Now put the beat in the rib, now everything in the zone now, bitch. Hey, kick in the zone now, bitch. Make some motherfucking noise if you got a heartbeat in this bitch. Yo, we're Pistol in the Heat. Check us out on Instagram, Pistol_Heat. I just did a bunch of music videos. You got a copy DVD in that merch table right there. This track, yeah, there we go. This next track right here is called Waves. Oh yeah, we're about to get real vibey. Oh yeah. Motherfuckers better than your two bed. And they're quick to judge like you're gonna do it. Let the show with the better cause the crew breaks it. D-man and you're more defective because they catch you big chill in the bed. The back sex and then the best of working pound the man up in the fucking stop to the fucking to ya. And a rapper man, I'm more of an all than a lonely night, but I see what they know harder than nowadays. And your boy ain't got a curve in a lot of things that make I had to observe in them. Walking, talking, and the homies like they see, man. Don't let the motherfucker, but they give them my waist back. Thinking about it, but I'm good. Alright, we're going back to the first. Baby girl knew my name for the intro. When I was on a homie, I was just like 10-fold. Got the hand of the baby girl, now let's go. On the hit a minute, fuckin' with my Zendo. Baby girl, you're bringing the drama, bye-bye. What about old team? Yeah, I'm standing at the skyline, demonstrating to all these fucking things I changed. And I'm close up in the game, you can catch me on the sideline. Fuckin' him and get it fucking pretty. Thought it was a gift, said I'm gonna do it. All we wanna fucking with it, did it. Had me flip my head, I was headed to the close. I left by my read, my sizzle, so like holy shit, I'm giving fuck with some of this. Turn it to the asshole of the rock. Damn, like a but that ain't me, bitch. I'ma give it to you. I'ma think about my nigga while I'm staring at the thing. Hey, hey, hey. Put your motherfucking hands up one time. Put your motherfucking hands up one time. Okay. Yeah. Big shout out to Priceless for putting this all together and Afro Man for bringing this all together as well. Make some motherfucking noise if you the spark one when you kind of stressing. Hey, this next track right here is called Up and Coming. And it's crazy when I wrote this track, I would never thought I'd be performing it right here. So let's get this thing going. Ready? Get him, Dale. Oh, get him, Dale. Woo-wee! Hey. Turn his keys up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope to wake you from your snore. You're about to hit the roar, but it's bitch like the dance floor. Hope these lyrics reach you down to your core. It's your boy Pistol Pete. You know what I have in store. Life's a never ending change, hope you can adjust. Staring at Sandra and the man of the propaganda lust. Take the wife down to Mark Man in the van to raise a family. Cop for summer house in Atlanta. The punchline jabs will might leave you sleeping. I'm on the come up, bitch, and I ain't even nitpicking. I'ma do it. Can't wait to say I did it. Walking to the party, hey yo, pistol spit it. I ain't gonna lie and say I'm the best. Just play the beat out there and leave your ass impressed. Keep grinding, cause it eventually penny to overlook my tracks, cause everyone raps nowadays. And I do, chillin' with the Kenji crew, had a whole army, but now I'm only down to few. To spread the word of the Lord is my mission. People finally listen and realize my ambition. I'm just rolling the dice, taking my chances. For sophomore, you knew could take seniors to dances. I guess it's all just a struggle. See my dreams and now my vision turned into a fucking tunnel. Hey, see my dreams and then my vision turned into a motherfucking what? Turned into a motherfucking tunnel. What? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, JC. Hey, get that bass solo on that ass. Oh, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Woo-wee! Okay, okay. I'ma keep a grind until I reach a destination. Trying to give our troubled youth some inspiration. So keep your head up, even if you fed up. Gotta deal with shit, cause life ain't about to let up. Fuck them all, even if you feeling like Kelowna. And keep writing the balls over the head just like a homer. Someone's talent, but I ain't waiting to get found. With the feet on and out, I'm cranked through the bucket. When you see us out, we go and drape the Ralph Lauren. From my head to my toes, to me out touring. Atlanta, or maybe New Orleans. Chillin' with the Casey crew and let the clouds are pouring. Always in the studio recording. Switches looking bright and my pants ain't pouring. Better to the metal and you hear my engine roaring. 5 a.m. on my grind, you at home snoring. You at home snoring, ayy. You at home snoring, ayy. You at home snoring, ayy. Bad bitches that be adoring, ayy. Hey, hey, hey. Make some noise for the heat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, y'all having a good time tonight, right, your room? Y'all having a good time? Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Hey, I want you guys to make some motherfucking noise for my dear friend and a dope MC at that. My boy, Dominico. Where you at, Dominico? Where you at? Hey. Uh-oh. It's about to get real.
Yeah.
You ready to do it?
I'm ready to do it. What's good, Fuego?
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's spooky.
Oh, no. Don't do it. No.
Yeah.
No, not like this. Not like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4.
Yeah. No, you can't touch this. Yeah, we chillin', hella laminated. This one right here, this one here, this one's for the haters. Roof so fire, can the city get this red? And the roof so fire, can the city get this? Came with free road,
Hey,
sleeping on Boulevard. I'm from the Avenue, chillin' with pistol.
That's me.
Bang, bang. I said,
Shots like you never knew.
I do not have a fuck. Oh my goodness, must have left him at home. Looking for Greek and that pussy I roll. For the just copy, look on. So hit this what you can tell that I'm gone. Light up this function, your covers been blown. Boss, they never leave me alone.
Why?
He said that you want too close. Why? You wanna be all on my grill. Had to be under the show how it feel. Got me posted in the show how it kill. Jump on your heart in the show how it kill. Might be but I never break.
Wait.
Stay heavy, don't compensate.
Hey.
I am no horse, do not want what you feed. Bullets be like
Think it's about them and beat it.
Let's be a pistols, these dragons defeated. I want the pistols, these dragons defeated.
I want the glory. I want the bread.
I see the future, just give me my bread.
No, they can't touch us. Yeah, we chillin'. Hella laminated. my show with a dominant Medina when I came through by the time I love you so I'll be dropping about you more bombastic. Snap like elastic, sounds like a classic. Started like the number, turn into a savage. Always had to vision, they don't crack. Looking at me crazy when they're I'm the author. Catch me if I already and I'm on up with the starter. And they had the handy with the band like I said. I'm about to bring the ring back home like a bloody so just know this, I ain't lost no focus. Give it about a bitch, about a motherfucking motor so you know I'm gonna turn it all the city out. I got this shit delicious, your boy now came before the scene. Got this motherfucker going like currency. I got shit say to a hater, probably got me mental beat. No show, how many days is it? Got the gas on that black Valero. Me nigga, come and get a crack, I'm like a thunder habanero.
Throw the cake, touches, yeah, we chillin' and the lemonade. This one right here, this one here, this one's for the hater. Rule so fire, get the city, get the lip, and the rule so fire, get the city, get the lip. Throw the cake, touches, yeah, we chillin' and the lemonade. This one right here, this one here,
for the hater.
rule so fire, get the city, get the lip, and the rule so fire, get the city, get the lip.
Hey! Make some motherfucking noise, Riot Room. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all want one more? One more. Ah, Dominico! Hey, make some noise for Dominico one time for the real one. Hey, yo. Nick, let me get a swig. I'm dying. Oh, thank you. Hey, everything's all good, baby. Everything's all good. Hey, yo. Okay. But oh damn, it pistol go again. So now say on the mic, I thought it what the fuck is see ya. First I think I'm crazy, now y'all see my plot though. In and out of skin, and now that my boys is hot though. And if you still hating, you can buy my brother. You know, just see my videos, I know I get that guy. So I guess I'm 22 real, and your ass is too fake. And I'm about to take my drink before I didn't think so. No, baby, can't no, they baby, been in the boy, he never sweated. Always have my eyes on my fucking destination. On my current situation, when you drifted, I've been chasing. All I got is me, man. Fuck the free, I'm chewing this for 3, man. The game is one and never for if we get. Chasing folks all the way and all appreciating. I'll be fucking cold like a cigarette that's ventilated. I'ma get it, cause I know I got it. I'ma stay on it till I sign my name on the dotted. Seen it in my eyes, cause the home is driven. You're a buck skimming, cause I'm just living, bitch. I'm just living, bitch. The day when you're living day by day. It's the second verse, where's the motherfucking hearse? And I'm stepping to the party with a freestyle rehearsed. And my brain is thinking, man, homie, cause I'ma keep it positive. All I do is show y'all love, but I always get the opposite. Y'all some naysayers on a young play. I'ma rep my fucking city till I'm voted up the mayor. Go ahead, homie, call me an asshole. You a big busted fucking Mac asshole. And I'm here for you to take that fucking personal. I ain't stressed, cause I'm right straight up from the terminal. I'ma be here for a while, my sound is so damn versatile. And I cut the beat and throw that deep, I thought it's surgical. Get to the southwest, headed down to the southwest, trying to find me some brown bread. What can I say about shit? Out here, hollering at the stupidest. None of your competition, I'm wondering now who did this. I think I'm new to this. Then they ask, I'm in class, and I'm glad that they're nothing more than ludicrous. So, get it, till a homie go to heaven. Cause the cousin got me spacing like my fucking name was Kevin. I'ma get it, cause I know I got it. I'ma stay on it till I sign my name on the dotted. Seen it in my eyes, cause the home is driven. You're a fuck skipping, cause I'm just living, bitch. I'm just living, bitch. I'm just living. Living my life. Hey, put your hands in the sky right quick, Riot Room. Y'all having a good time tonight? I told y'all once and I'll tell y'all again. I'm Pistol, and this is the heat. Yeah. Yeah. Live my life, I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. Make some motherfucking noise right here, roll! Yeah, 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 yeah. We gotta talk to somebody here. Where's John? No, we gotta call it. I'm tanked. We're motherfucking Pistol in the Heat. We love y'all. We'll see y'all at the bar, all right?
One more round. We're about to get into this tour package. They're dope as fuck. Break down, clean up, get you a drink, grab you a smoke, make sure you tip your bartenders. Yeah.
Thank you.